You know what? Thing that what the place called? You know where Kingston Fall Club there?
What?
Kingston Fall Club.
What's it called again?
Like
it's Kingston, like in Jamaica.
Yeah, it's like a,
oh, jeez, I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry.
some fried dumpling.
Right.
And my grandmother used to tell me, you know, don't leave the yam stick where the yam there's no yam.
Oh man. Man, I'm around here all the time. I can't even picture passing it.
Oh boy. Yeah. All right.
That has to be like jerk chicken, right? Or
Yeah,
something
jerk
like
chicken,
they
fried
have-
chicken.
Kismira Boulevard. No?
I'm looking for Kiss Me Raw.
What?
It's Kismira Boulevard.
Yeah, I don't know.
No?
West here.
That way.
This north.
North?
North.
They told me that if I go west, you go Kiss Me Raw.
Excuse me?
Tripe and Bean Road.
No. Miramar Boulevard.
No, Mirated.
Where what is?
Where Anansi Boulevard is? Fried breadfruit?
No.
Fried breadfruit Boulevard, or do you know where I can find the Gully Side Boulevard?
I don't live here. Sorry.
Do you know where Kingston Fall Club is? Kingston Fall Club?
If you're going out west,
Yeah.
you're going the wrong way.
Make a right. What
Right.
do you want to do? What's that?
It's
I got
left.
left. Where should I go?
Yeah, man, tell me.
We're a little lost here. I was wondering if you could help me find some callaloo.
What's that?
Some callaloo.
Hallelujah?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like when you chop it up. It's like a Jamaican national. When you chop it up.
Because we have like all sorts of produce from worldwide.
My grandmother said, you know, you eat callaloo, you grow up and be strong, you get married. Do you know where Mirated Road is? Yeah. Mirated Road? What is it? Mirated Road. Hello, excuse me. Do you know where I can find Mirated Road? No? No idea?
Okay.
Pine Boulevard West. Pine Boulevard East.
From you never lie with another man in a bed. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never sex a girl when she on a cold red. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never feel a shoulder muscle with your third leg. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. No girl never kiss him off that she don't give you head. Tell them it's a nothing no go.